Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're a finance student or fresher who want to get into top companies, then this video is for you. In the next 5 minutes, you will learn the exact skills which are required to get into the top companies even as a fresher. Yes, you heard that right. Let's break down the most in-demand skills step by step. First, let's start with the most important one, Microsoft Excel. Honestly, Excel is the backbone of finance jobs. You cannot imagine life without Excel. If you don't know Excel well, it is very hard to survive in finance role. So here, you should focus on VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, pivot tables, if formulas, if formulas, basic dashboards. Keeping it very simple because this video is mainly for freshers. Now, why is this important? Because in real life jobs, you will be dealing with so many large data sets. Sales data, expense, purchase, financial reports, and many types of data. And Excel helps you analyze them quickly. Next is SQL, Structured Query Language. Now this is where many freshers lag behind. They feel that this is of no use, it's not required. SQL is required. Companies store huge amount of data in database, and Excel helps you extract data from that database. Let's say your manager asks you that give me the sales report or give me the revenue report of previous quarter. So instead of depending on others, you can pull the data from the database if you know SQL. So SQL is equally important. It's a big advantage. Next is data visualization tools like Power BI and Tableau. Here's the thing, numbers alone are boring, but when you turn them into charts or dashboards, they become powerful and interesting. In MNCs, you don't need to just analyze the data. You need to present it clearly. You need to present it to your stakeholders, and they will not understand if you give them just the numbers. You need to present in the form of dashboards, charts, graphs, and various other tables. See, here you need to make yourself ready. You are a fresher, so if you have these skills, the chances of you getting shortlisted is very high. That's where these tools help you stand out. Next, ERP systems like SAP or Oracle. These are the real world tools which are used by the companies in their day-to-day operations. Even basic knowledge of these systems shows that you are industry ready. And trust me, recruiters love that. So ERP systems like SAP and Oracle are one of the essential skills to be developed. Now, let's talk about core finance skills. You should understand financial statements, budgeting, variance analysis, ratio analysis, because tools are important, but if you don't have the finance skills, then tools are of no use. You cannot analyze anything. Next, here I am giving some bonus skills which will give you an edge. You need to be aware of basic Python for automation, strong analytical thinking, and good communication skills. Give more importance on communication because you will have to communicate the things to your managers, teammates, stakeholders, and various other people you deal with. So, to summarize it, if you want to crack an MNC interview as a fresher, focus on Excel, SQL, data visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, ERP systems like SAP, Oracle, and your finance skills. These are the 5 skills. These are the first 5 skills which you need to be ready to get into MNCs. Don't just collect certificates, build real skills. That will give you an edge. If you found this video helpful, do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share it with the people who are looking to get into top companies as a fresher. This might help them. And if you want to know that from where you can learn these skills, do comment below and we can discuss more. Thank you for watching.